Right, we're back, and just like yesterday, we didn't take any trades. I did, however, got the direction right, which is bearish. The only thing pointing towards bullish was just this 4-hour close right here, and you can see that it barely closed above. So this is not really a good close that I would say. So that just confirmed my bearish bias. Again, 12-hour looking pretty heavy now, and it looked heavy at the time. Daily looks heavy. 1 hour at the time that I started watching was just flipping bearish. So here, then on 15-minute and on New York Open, we rally a little bit up, um, just enough to grab some liquidity above these order blocks. Didn't sweep the London highs, and we just tanked. Like this just wouldn't stop. I was waiting for a retrace on the 5 minute, but no retrace. If you look at the 1 minute, sure, you could say, yeah, this is clean. I could have taken maybe this, something like this to this target that I had. Yes, but this is just 1 minute confirmation. We just swept this target that I had before, and we could have easily reverted. And I was hoping that we would have revert, maybe touch the fair value gap, and then continue lower. That's what I was looking for. But no, didn't get that, so no execution. Again, we just sold off, sold off, sold off. We sweep this, front run this target that I had as well. This is a daily low. This is a weekly low, past week low. We sweep the past week low, reacted pretty bullish from there, started respecting bullish order flow, and then here, this is a 5 minute fair value gap, and it's also a 15-minute fair value gap, which I was hoping it would have held. And it kind of did, which is why we kind of sold off here. But I wanted more confirmation from the 5 minute. So ideally, my setup would have been here on the touch of this fair value gap and this 5 minute order block. Same way, you can call this like a 15-minute order block. I wouldn't trust it. It's just, adding confluence to this 5 minute order block right here. I was keeping in mind that we inverted this 5 minute fair value gap, but still I was pretty bearish. That said, I was waiting for the close. I wanted, and I actually placed orders here on this candle right here. I placed orders here, and I had my stop here, and my TP was just on this 1 minute order block extreme. I had this lined up, but then seeing how the 1 hour was coming up, and I could have easily get wicked out because of what of the 1 hour power of free, the 15-minute power of free, and the 5 minute power of free. I just decided to not take it because we had swept the weekly level, and we had this inverted 5 minute fair value gap. So I just decided to not take it. If it was in the middle of a 15-minute candle or a 5 minute candle, I would have stick with it. But since we had that coming up, I just decided to not take it and just be safe. Ended up dodging a bullet there. Then once we had this push up on the first minute, I said, okay, that's nice. And it's nice that we are reacting from it like this because this is the 5 minute order block and the 5 minute fair value gap. So now I would like to see, this is bullish now, I'd like to see some bearish confirmation. And I was hoping for a close below there to put my stop here, and my TP would have been somewhere in these lows, assuming that we would have, this was like the first wick of the 1 hour, and then we would expand lower. And then I was not really confident sweeping this, but I was confident like we visit, middle of this extreme down here. Again, if the 1 hour power of free played out and this 1 minute closed. Didn't get the close, then we started rallying up. At this point right here, I said, I'm going to wait for the 15-minute close. We got this 15-minute close right here, and I'm thinking, do I really want to trade this price action now? I mean, I got to go in a little bit, and I don't want to be placing trades just for the sake of placing a trade. So decided to call it today, record this video just to put my thoughts in, and then later on review. So hope you enjoyed, and I see you tomorrow. Bye.